Good morning, grade 1. How are you today? Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020, 5-4-20. Our word of the week is the way, the truth. Oh, the life got erased. Oops, a daisy. Let's put that back on there. There we go. If you want to write those things in your assignment book, you certainly can. We're starting our next unit on Superkids. For Word Workbook, you'll have pages 78 and 79, and that's your Word Workbook, okay? And remember, as soon as you do those pages, take a picture and send them to Mrs. Strand. You'll have Backpack page 37, and that will be the page that you read, okay? And so you're in a new set of papers here. You're going to read The Turtle Who Wanted to Fly, okay? And then after you have read that, the 3 days, then you'll do your page that goes along with that. And then you'll have your writing to continue. So make sure that you have submitted your writing to Mrs. Strand, and she should have written back to you to tell you if there were any things you needed to fix on it. And then those are the things that you work on this week to make your writing even better. Today we'll go through a few things for math. You have all sorts of tests to work on today for math, so that will make it easy. No side B to do. And then your set of letters to the residents, you can start working on those if you'd like. And of course you have an epic book to read and an AR test to take. Your theme for Superkids this week is hot stuff. I wonder what Mrs. Stolt will have you be reading this week. You'll have to check it out and find out. Maybe you already have and you're already done with that. Thanks for getting your goal in April. Good job. You guys both did very well. And now it's time to work on our goals for May. And doing your epic reads, that's one of the ways to do it. Read those books each day and take your AR test on it right away. And then you'll be well on your way. Our AR will end a little bit early just to be able to have everything ready to do report cards for the end of the year. So it will only go through May 20th. All righty. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about math. And today you have a time test that is an actual test, an assessment. And then you get to be the teacher, of course, one of our favorite things. You have your, oops, they're stuck together here. Your math test page. And remember, when you're doing the date for your math test, it's what's on the video, writing it out, Monday, May 4th, 2020, okay? So take the time to do that correctly. Remember, it's okay to pause the video and take care of those things as you're doing it. All right, so a test to do today. And now I would like to go through the problem solving worksheet, okay? So if you don't already have that here with you, would you grab your binder and a pencil so that we can work through this together, okay? And I will go over to my other screen. Feel free to pause the video though if you need to get your things, okay? All right. And there we are. Okay, so today our problem solving, is going to involve drawing a picture to solve a problem and then using a table to solve a problem. So we're going to do two things, drawing a picture and using a table. So the first thing we have to do is read our problem. Pencils cost 2 cents each. Show how much money Yashir will need to buy 6 pencils. All right, so what information do we need? Well, the pencils cost 2 cents each. That's important to know. How much money will Yashir need to buy 6 pencils? So he's buying 6 pencils, okay? So let's do our 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that one's a skinny one. Pencils do come in different shapes, don't they? Different sizes around. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to do 2 more, don't I? If I have 4 and I need to get to 6, I need 2 more. You can be working along me at the same time. And remember, anytime you need to pause the video, if I'm not going slow enough, and I apologize, it's hard to know if I don't see you, isn't it? All right, so we have 6 pencils. And now each of those pencils cost 2 cents. So next to each pencil, let's make 2 pennies. 1 cent, 1 cent. 1 cent, 1 cent. So by every pencil, we're going to make our symbol for a penny. All right, so now we could use our drawing to find out how much it is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. She would need 12, Yashir would need 12 cents. Let's also fill out our table before we answer that as well, okay? Make sure it's the same. So 1 pencil is 2 cents. 2 pencils would be how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cents. How many are 3 pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see a pattern there? 4 pencils is 8 cents. You're right, we're counting up by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 5 cents, or excuse me, 5 pencils will be 10 cents, and 6 pencils will be 12 cents. So we kind of double checked our work here, and our table shows that 6 pencils is 12 cents. Our drawing shows that 6 pencils is 12 cents. So on your side, you know that you'll have to write, how did we solve this problem? Okay. So after we found we circled the important information. And it's okay to shorten up information with info. Sometimes I use abbreviated words. Okay, so we circled the important information. Then the next thing we do is we drew 6 pencils. Then I drew 6 pencils. Next, I drew 2 pennies by each pencil. Then I counted the pennies. Six pencils cost 12 cents. I filled out, filled out the table, and we got the same answer, right? And got the same answer. So that's a good way of knowing we are right. Here, 6 pencils for 12 cents. Here, 6 pencils for 12 cents. Okay? So notice I had to write quite a bit. Now, it's okay if you ask your moms or dads to help you write that, okay? I'm okay with that. You tell them what to say, or excuse me, you tell them what you want them to write, and then they can write it. So on your side, you're going to write a picture, draw a picture, and also fill out a table, okay, about the information that you have here. All right, and our name is Umar, okay? So here's where your answer goes, and then here's where you have to write what you did. And you might need more lines than that. It's okay to go down into the bottom, okay? So tell exactly what you did to solve the problem. Notice what we did on the front. I want you to do the same type of thing on the back. Okay? Drawing a picture with the information, making a table with that same information, and answering the question correctly. All right, back to Mrs. Stolt. There, that wasn't so hard. I think today's going to be an easy work day, don't you? All right, so you have a few things to do for math, a few things to do for reading, and before you know it, you will be done and on your way to enjoying your day. All right, if you have any questions, give me a call and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.